I'd like to refer briefly to a project which has been funded by Education Queensland, and it's about the standing and status of vocational education and the occupation it serves. The problem is that, unfortunately, vocational education and some of the occupations that it prepares people for are often seen to be low status. This is causing many young people to look away from vocational education and not consider it as a post-school option, instead preferring to go on to higher education, regardless of whether their personal attributes or intended outcomes are best found within higher education. So there appears to be a societal sentiment which plays down the value of vocational education. So this research project aims to understand what shapes young people's decision-making about post-school pathways and how that can be more informed so that vocational education and the occupation it serves can be seen as being viable and worthwhile options. The process we're using is firstly doing a range of interviews with school-age students, their parents, their teachers, vocational education students and their teachers, and then from that identify the kind of decision-making that young people engage in and what influences it. From that, we're currently running a survey to see if the findings that come from the first phase are supported by a larger and broader-based set of informants. And then what we will do is, with these findings, is organising a set of workshops that parents, school teachers, educators from vocational education and students from vocational education and employers will come along and engage with us to see about the strategies which come out so that vocational education can be portrayed fairly as a worthwhile post-school destination.